Let's move on to the clouds. I will start by lightly dabbing the round sponge with white paint, carefully applying it to the sky to form the cloud shapes. By using a gentle patching motion, I can create soft edges and realistic cloud formations. I will incorporate different shades of white and gray, layering them to mimic the natural light and shadow within clouds. I will now switch to a medium brush to add details to the mountains. This brush size allows for greater control and precision, perfect for capturing the intricacies of the terrain. First, I will apply a flat base color to the mountain range, ensuring an even and solid foundation. Next, I will focus on adding details to the ridges and shadows. Using a mix of angular strokes, I will depict the rugged terrain and natural contours of the mountains. Begin painting the lake's surface using a large fan brush, which is ideal for creating broad, smooth strokes. Apply smooth, horizontal strokes to lay down the base color, creating a serene and undisturbed appearance for the water. After establishing the base layer, I will switch to a round brush with a smaller size to add ripples and reflections. This brush allows for greater precision, enabling me to depict the subtle movements and light interactions on the water's surface. I can now add the shoreline using a medium round brush or a flat brush. By blending colors, I can achieve smooth transitions between the sand, grass, and water, will enhance the overall realism of the landscape. To make the foreground area grass, I will start by using upward strokes to establish the base color. Next, apply a blend of green hues to mimic the natural variations in of grass. Once the base layer is in place, I will switch to a finer brush to add individual blades of grass. I will now mix red, yellow, and white paints to create the vibrant colors needed for the small flower dots that appear in the grass area in the distance. This combination will allow me to achieve a range of warm, appealing hues that stand out against the green background. Now, we are enhancing the grass area by adding large petals and beautiful flowers, strategically arranging them to create a sense of depth and distance. I can use a large flat brush or a filbert brush to block in the vibrant red and orange flowers with broad, sweeping strokes. These brushes are ideal for quickly establishing the general shape and color of the flowers, allowing me to cover larger areas efficiently. Next, I will switch to a medium round brush to add details to the petals. Using short, curved strokes, I will carefully depict the subtle variations and intricate shapes of the petals. Through these techniques, I will be able to showcase the texture, highlights, shadows, and natural curves of the petals. Let's move on to the thinner details now. Use a small liner brush or a detail brush to paint the center of the flowers. I will layer different shades of yellow and orange to create depth and dimension, making the flower centers appear more realistic. Now, I will add another small but similar flower to the bottom left corner of our painting. To make the grass area seem more full, I'm going to be using a round brush to draw another relatively large flower to create the perfect composition. Now let's complete the final part, ensuring all elements combine perfectly to achieve a color-balanced composition with a touch of small purple flowers to our drawing. Finally, we can complete this drawing by adding the final touches. I'm going to add highlights and shadows, blending and smoothing textures, and enhancing the depth of various elements, including the flower petals, ripples on the water, and peaks of the mountains. And there you have it. Our beautiful landscape drawing is finished.